Right here we have a 9005 light bulb. It's also known as the HB3 light bulb. It's the practically the same light bulb, the same size and everything. To replace this light bulb, the first thing we do is unplug the electrical wire. You press on this tab right here and make sure it's pressed all the way so it releases right here. Keep it pressed and pull away. Here we have the light bulb. You remove it by just turning it. Once it stops moving or going any further, here you can pull it out. We'll install the new light bulb in reverse order. Now you gotta be careful because even though you need to line up these tabs, 3 tabs right here, they're not the same, so it doesn't go any other way. So you have to have these 3 tabs the same way when you removed it. Another easy way to remember, just keep in mind the orientation of the plug. Push it all the way in and twist it. Make sure it's secure. Next, we reconnect the electrical wire. You line it up and then press it until you hear a click. And that's it.